Call it all engines, illustrated by Richard Cartier, read by me, Railway Series RWSTMLP. Summer is a busy time on the island of Sodor. The engines love to show travelers around the island. They visit the seaside, the windmill, and the new Sodor suspension bridge. Then one morning, Sir Topham Hatt came to the sheds. He had a very important announcement to make. A new airport is to be built on Sodor, and I need you all to help. The engines were very excited. Thomas and Percy were coupled to freight cars full of bricks and timber to take to the airport building site. Imagine old travelers, chuffed Thomas. And all the airplanes, puffed Percy. Then Harry and Bert arrived. Stinky steam is in the way again, mumbled Harry. Why do we have to work near them? Grumbled Bert. This made Thomas and Percy cross. They didn't want to work near the diesels either. The diesels were oily and they seemed different, very different to the steamies. Thomas and Percy, Harry and Bert worked at the airport all afternoon. They shunted freight cars full of bricks and tar. The diesels bumped Thomas and biffed Percy. Dirty diesels, moaned Percy. I don't like them. Thomas and Percy had been so excited about working at the airport, but Harry and Bert were there now. It wasn't any fun. That night, a hurricane swept through the island. It was the strongest wind the engines had ever known. All night long, the wind howled down the tracks. It tore down trees and ripped off roofs.